This story begins in the spring of 2020. When COVID first hit and there was a shortage of seeds, we were afraid we would not be able to get our plants at the greenhouse. So we bought a bunch of tomato and pepper seeds, but they didn't come until it was far too late to plant them. With the tomatoes and peppers, they need to be started several weeks before the ground is even thawed. So I'm making a grow light so we can start them early this year. The LED light is suspended on two small chains that hang from this 2x4 frame. I bought a pack of these lights on Amazon so I could redo the lighting in my shop, but I had a few extra. You can get a similar product at Harbor Freight, Home Depot, or Lowe's for less than $20. These lights are nice because they don't require any wiring. You simply plug them in, and they even have a little on-off switch built in. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. It really helps. If you want to see more like this, subscribe. Thank you for watching, and God bless.